This question is written a little bit differently than before. It's why don't we use the other formula for chain rule? Remember that using this dy dx notation, we can write the chain rule as follows, right? Dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. And that formula is useful here because y is a function of u, so we can find dy du. And then u is a function of x, so we can find du dx. Let's carry that out. Dy du is simply 3u squared minus 0. I'll just write 3u squared and not bother with the 0. What's du dx? Well, that's 6x plus 0, so I'll just write 6x. I can multiply those, 18u squared x. We're kind of done the derivative, but it does ask to get dy dx only in terms of x, so we don't want the variable u to appear here. How can we get rid of it? Well, that's real easy, because u, we know, is just 3x squared plus 5. Why don't I switch the order here? Let's write the 18, then I'll write my x, and then I'll put my u squared here. But instead of u, I'm going to replace it with the formula that it is in terms of x. So instead of u squared, I write 3x squared plus 5 squared. And there we go. Dy dx is expressed by this formula that's completely in terms of x.